Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your GU Patrol handbrake. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands and the rear wheels are removed. This provides clear access to the handbrake mechanism. Next, locate the drum assembly at the rear wheels. It's crucial that the handbrake lever inside the cabin is completely released before you begin any adjustments. This initial setup ensures a proper starting point for the entire process. Now, let's focus on the brake shoes. You'll find a small rubber bung on the backing plate of the drum. Remove this to expose the star adjuster. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully turn the star adjuster until the wheel locks up completely. This ensures the shoes are properly seated. Then, back off the adjuster by 6 to 8 clicks. This provides the necessary clearance for normal operation without drag. With the shoes adjusted, it's time to fine-tune the cable tension. Locate the handbrake cable adjuster, usually found underneath the vehicle near the transfer case. Tighten this adjuster until the handbrake lever engages firmly within 5 to 7 clicks. This range indicates proper tension. Once satisfied, reinstall your wheels and carefully lower the vehicle. Always test the handbrakes holding power on a flat surface before driving. Before you hit the road, perform a final check. Spin each rear wheel by hand to confirm there's no brake drag. They should rotate freely. Then, test the handbrake on a slight incline to ensure it holds the vehicle securely without any roll. A properly adjusted handbrake is vital for safety. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.